It synchronizes its emergence with the brief mating season of the tinid wasp. The flightless female wasp produces pheromones to attract males. This male detects a scent that seems to be hers, yet flies right on by. The orchid not only has the same shape and colour as a female wasp, but it sits at the same height as she does. It even mimics her smell. And the beguiled male attempts to mate with it. It hammers against the orchid's pollen sacs, and the wasp leaves, doubtless a little shaken, only to be duped once again. The pollen on his back now sticks to this different orchid, and the deception has worked. The orchid's imitation is even more intoxicating, it seems, than the real thing. Eventually, the male wasps tire of the orchid's enticements. For the hammer orchid, pollination is complete.